welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fabulous day, and I am super excited. We got our September 2018 Mint Mongoose. So I am so excited to dive in here and see what we got. For those of you that do not know, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. It is $12 plus shipping, and you get 3 items, usually earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. I do know that they have another option. It's like the Mint Mongoose Black. I'm not exactly sure on pricing for that one, but the standard Mint Mongoose is, like I said, $12 a month plus shipping, and they do give you the option to select either silver, gold, and just last month I believe they added rose gold. So I can't wait to dive in here and see what we got this month. This is one of my favorite subscriptions because I think for the price, what you receive is, you know, so wonderful. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And I know that there's a coupon somewhere out there for like maybe $5 off, or you can get it for $10 and free shipping, something. I will find it and I will put it below to let you use that if you'd like to sign up for your first month. Otherwise, again, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. If you have not already, please do hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We would love to have you here. And don't forget, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway is ending in just over a week, so you definitely want to get entered into that. But we are going to open this and take a look. Okay, one thing I love about this subscription, the box is super cute, and it always is stamped with, do I have that upside down? With, looks like he goes this way, with the mongoose, and it's this beautiful mint color, and I just love the old-timey wax seal. I think it's just a great touch and just makes it fun, and I don't know, I just really enjoy it. So let's open the box up and see. There is also always a Werther's Original Candy in the box, which is super cute. My son does love these, so he always gets those. And there also is always a thank you card, and on the back it says, "Yay, it's here," and be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite Mint Mongoose jewelry pieces with the tag #MintMongoose to be entered to win a free month. So that's awesome, and it's always nicely wrapped, again, in this beautiful mint tissue paper. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what September has to offer. Okay, and right on top I can see a bracelet. This is very pretty. It's like a tweed rope style bracelet. It is adjustable, so you can make it, you know, smaller or bigger if you need to, and then once you get it on, you can, come on Nikki, there we go. You can adjust it to make it to where it doesn't, you know, slide all around. This is actually really cute, and I love that it has so many different colors. You could wear this with like anything, and it's just something fun. I typically will wear my Pandora bracelet. That is usually my go-to for a bracelet, but this I think is actually a great thing to add to my collection because, like I said, you could wear it with so many different things. It's just, and it's simple but beautiful. So I really like that. All right, and next we have here all of the, like the earrings and necklace always come with a little tag attached, and on the back it always, you know, it will tell you that if you spend $40 on individual items in our online shop, you will receive your next box for free. So, and I do know with the membership you get, I think, 25% off everything in the store. So that's really awesome. So let's take a look. Oh, I can already see that these look like these are going to be beautiful. If I could open them. Okay. Goodness. Alright, so we've got some earring backs right here. And then the earrings are wrapped up. Oh my goodness. Y'all. These are adorable. Let me get it so I can show you. Okay. See these? There are these beautiful turquoise color stones, and then this almost opal looking. And what's really neat, this is why I'm assuming these two backs were included, is this part is the stud, but the dangly part is actually the back. Those are so beautiful. So technically it's like two pairs of earrings. So you could do just the studs, or you could do the dangly. I definitely will do dangly because I love dangly. These are gorgeous. So let's take a look at the necklace. Everything usually matches, so I cannot wait to see this. Oh, I got it tangled. Oh my goodness. You guys. This is gorgeous. I mean, so gorgeous. Okay, so first of all, I love that it has where you can adjust to make it shorter or longer. And then we come down and there's this beautiful collection of stones, and come down and another shiny stone, and then the same opal type stone from the earrings, and then the same blue turquoise looking bead. And this one, look you guys, it's got like white in it. How gorgeous is that? Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And on the back here of the little design of beads is the little mint mongoose stamp. This necklace, you guys, is just so adorable. Like, super, super, super adorable. Oh my goodness. I love that. So that is the Mint Mongoose for September 2018. I'm almost speechless. That is gorgeous. And this bracelet, like I said, is super, super cute. The earrings in that necklace are so, so pretty. I cannot wait to wear that. So I will make sure to link down below for you guys if you would like to sign up for Mint Mongoose. And like I said, I know there's a code somewhere. I will find it and make sure to include that for you guys as well. So if you do sign up, you can get your first month, you know, at a discounted price. You can't beat it. You really, really cannot. It is always super gorgeous jewelry, and the price, even at regular price, the $12 plus shipping, I want to say it comes to maybe like $15, is so worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you with the next video. I hope you all have a fabulous day.